Welcome. At Beehive Evolution, I want to diversify to a project such as my beautiful door. If you like what you see, this door is just a small but beautiful part of a whimsical, hobbitish looking little treehouse nestled in the forest, which I designed and built for this wonderful couple who have become good friends through a 4-month journey to completion. We are making a small series on this project starting in mid-June. So like and subscribe now if you wish to be notified when it commences and see the complete project. The mosaic on the door is the compass star, requested by the owners as a reminder to them of all the years of travel and memories they so cherish. So we hope that you follow us and subscribe. Thank you.